Welcome to Crypto Forex Insights, the channel that breaks down all things crypto and Forex into bite-sized, easy-to-understand pieces. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Bitcoin. If you're new to crypto, don't worry, we've got you covered. The crypto world is massive. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there. At its peak, the crypto market's total value exceeded $2.9 trillion, with over $130 billion traded daily. That's a huge market, but still not as big as the Forex market.
But for beginners, trying to understand it all at once can feel overwhelming. So instead of getting lost in the noise, we're going to start with the most important cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin? Because it's the original cryptocurrency. It's the foundation for understanding everything else in the crypto space. Master Bitcoin, and you'll find it much easier to wrap your head around the other cryptocurrencies. Our goal is to make sure you feel confident in your understanding of Bitcoin by the end of this video. All right, so what is Bitcoin? In simple terms, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency. It allows people to transfer value directly without needing a bank or middleman. Think of it like cash, but digital. And unlike traditional money, Bitcoin is based on open source software. Transactions on the Bitcoin network are verified by people called miners. These miners solve complex math problems using a system called proof of work, which ensures that all transactions are secure and valid. Once verified, these transactions are added to the blockchain, a public ledger that's updated every 10 minutes. The blockchain is what makes Bitcoin secure, transparent, and impossible to alter. Okay, I know. There's a lot of new terms here. Decentralized, blockchain, proof of work. It can feel like a lot, but don't worry. In this beginner's guide, we'll break down all the jargon and make it simple. Crypto can feel like its own language sometimes, but I promise you, it's easier than it seems once you get the hang of it. In the crypto world, understanding the language is half the battle. Throughout this series, I'll be your crypto jargon blaster, helping you master the essential terms so you can navigate the space with confidence. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to explain Bitcoin like a pro. Whether you're impressing your friends, dominating at dinner parties, or just feeling more confident in your crypto knowledge, you're going to go from crypto clueless to crypto competent. So if you're ready to master Bitcoin and take your first steps into the world of crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's conquer crypto together. Let's conquer crypto. Thanks for watching Crypto Forex Insights, where we make crypto and Forex easy to understand. See you in the next video.